Imagine a camera that doesn't just record, but recognizes faces, tracks movements, and even predicts what someone might do next. That's AI surveillance, basically your super smart security guard with laser vision. It sounds amazing, right? Catching bad guys, finding lost kids, keeping us safe. AI rocks when it comes to playing superhero. Just assume helping find a child in a crowded park or nabbing a burglar. With great power comes great responsibility, and this super smart AI needs careful handling. We all have secrets and personal moments, right? Imagine a camera watching you everywhere, even in your private spots. Creepy, right? That's where AI surveillance gets a bit spooky, potentially invading our lives without us even noticing. Machines aren't perfect. They learn from the information we feed them, and sometimes that info can be biased. If AI only learns about certain people, it might get confused or treat others unfairly. Enjoy the safety and security that AI brings, but keep it from snooping too much or playing favorites. Rules are needed like traffic lights for this tech superhero. Schools are perfect for learning about AI. Just like learning to drive, you gotta know the rules and stay safe. Companies building AI systems need to be on their toes too, making sure their tech plays fair and respects privacy. We trust doctors with our health. Shouldn't we trust these companies with our personal data? AI and surveillance is like a superhero with a bit of a mischievous streak. By understanding AI, talking about its responsible use, and setting ground rules, we can make sure this tech hero does awesome things. Remember, tech is here to make things better, but only if we use it like Captain America, not the Joker. So are you fascinated by the wonders and challenges of AI? Then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to watch this next video showing up on the right side of your screen. Stay curious and join us next time as we continue unraveling the marvels of technology.